Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by plugging the USB Bluetooth adapter into your PC. This provides the radio your computer lacks. Once done, Windows often auto-installs drivers. If not, run the adapter's driver installer so the device is recognized. Make sure Bluetooth is toggled on in Settings Devices Bluetooth and Other Devices. This exposes the Add Bluetooth or Other Device button. You need the adapter active before pairing. Otherwise, the PC cannot see nearby devices, so complete these steps first. Now, put the accessory into pairing mode so it broadcasts its identity. This is device-specific, but usually a long press on a button. On the PC, click Add Bluetooth or Other Device, choose Bluetooth, and wait for the device name to appear. This is how the PC discovers the accessory. Select it, then accept any PIN or confirmation prompts on both ends. If prompted to allow file access or permissions, grant only what you trust. This matching step creates the secure link between the two radios. Finally, check Settings Devices to confirm the accessory shows as connected. That means pairing succeeded. For audio gear, open Sound Settings and choose the Bluetooth device as the default output or input so apps use it. Test playback or microphone to verify. If the device fails to connect or drops, update the adapter driver in Device Manager and restart the Bluetooth support service. Then repair. This resolves most driver or service level issues. If problems persist, try a different USB port or adapter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.